What's up, YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's. And I have something to tell you guys. This vlog was supposed to start off 100% different than how it's gonna start off, and it's just life. And I mean, I don't know, my dog, I stayed the night at my grandparents' house, totally fine, everything was perfect, and little Jefe passed away. He died in his sleep. I don't know, I think that's the biggest thing. It shocks me the most is, like, I don't know what happened. He just was sleeping and then he just didn't wake up. You guys know, the dog is a man's best friend, and it was just really hard. Like, El Jefe just turned into like this El Crybaby. You know, I just really love that guy. You know what I mean? A lot of you guys, you know, seen him like the first 2 weeks I got him on the vlog. If you guys been watching long enough, and it really sucks. And it's the day after. I got this news on the 2nd, and it just, you know, it's just like one of those things where it's like you're used to waking up and him being, oh sorry guys, you're used to waking up and him just being on you, jumping on you, excited for the day, and it's just like it wasn't there this morning. So if the rest of this week it seems I'm a little like not myself, don't worry, everything's fine. And just going through the loss of my dog, which if you guys know, if you own a dog, it's just a man's best friend. It's, you know how hard it is. He's kind of like a family member. He is a family member, to be completely honest with you. But yeah, so, you know, recipes Jefe, and yeah, that's how my New Year started. But it's alright. We're gonna stay positive. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep moving. Today we're gonna head over to Premium Auto Styling and talk to them about a sponsorship and getting my car wrapped, so we can get that car in the car in the shop. And then I just want to go into detail. I'm kind of gonna set the camera down and just show you guys how it is meeting with someone and trying to get sponsorship, let them know what you could do for them, and you know, not as much as what they could do for you. I feel this might be a cool insight on when you guys go to make your proposals to get sponsored. Now you'll be able to know what to tell them, and you know, and just kind of see the background of getting sponsored. Also too, I'm supposed to be picking up my car today. Literally, I told him, my bad, I was getting a little watery. I literally told Igno, like, yo, take your time. Well, that was on New Year's, so he really took his time. So remember, guys, in the car community, do not tell anyone to take their time, because it's been a long time. But anyways, let's get over to Premium Auto Styling, and then just continue on with the day. Let's you know, get the background and behind the scenes of what it is to set up a meeting to get sponsored and stuff like that. I really hope this helps you guys out. Hope you guys have a great 2018. Hope everything is way better than 2017. If 2017 was great, I hope 2018 is even greater. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for the support, and let's go to New Year. To new me. No, it's not. I'm just a scumbag with the camera still, but we're gonna have fun this year, guys. We have a lot to do. Yo, what's up, guys? This is El Jefe. For those of you who haven't seen Arlo's car all finished, shout out to Premium Auto Styling. They hooked the car up, did the front accents, the hood. You got the little premium logo over here. You got the El Jefe vlogs. They did good. Got the black. They set it up. Shout out to Premium once again. Always coming through. Just pulled up the Premium Auto Styling. Look at Anthony's freaking car. This wrap is so clean. He actually wasn't even going to go with this color wrap, but go and check out Premium Auto Styling's page on their YouTube channel, and you'll see why he didn't, but I like this a lot better. Alright guys, so I filmed that last clip. That was actually like the day after my dog passed away. I thought everything was gonna be good. I thought everything was gonna be cool. I thought I was gonna be able to continue on my week. 2018 started tough, and it was nothing like that. I need to take a break. So I'm so sorry I'm posting this vlog now on Friday. I missed all week of the first of the year. Definitely a horrible job. But I know you guys understand and will relate to like why I needed to take that full week off. I just wasn't feeling myself. I just wasn't feeling it. I didn't really do too much. I'm feeling a lot better now. Actually, today I went to go pick up his ashes. So I'm here at Premium. I'm actually in my office, actually mine and John's office. We do the filming here. John is the main filmer here, and I work under John, which would be, yes, you call it camera B. So this is right here where we're turned into our office for all media, stuff like this. So I'm gonna have you guys sit down with this whole interview, and then the vlog is gonna end, and we'll continue back on normal schedule on Monday at 12 o'clock. I'm gonna be going to a lot of events this weekend, get a lot of footage, have some fun. So let's get started with trying to get this sponsorship for Premium Auto Styling for a full wrap. And you guys already know what color it's gonna be. If you guys don't know what color it's gonna be, I gave little hints here and there before. You're gonna have to go back and check out their vlogs, or just wait for the reveal. We have another camera set up over there, but main focus is gonna be Daniel's expression.
Double camera in it.
So, anyways, obviously you guys know why we're here. Feels awkward.
Let it be awkward. listen, if you're coming to ask me for some free shit, just leave.
All right, YouTube fam, we gotta go.
I'm just kidding, dude. I'm just kidding. I'm joking. I've learned the look. I know when somebody's about to ask me for something, but it's okay.
Your hand in marriage.
I love you and I owe you.
I love you. You're sweet. You're beautiful. You're smart. All right.
You my girl, Heaven.
Cutting that out. Okay. All right. So, well, basically, you know, with the build and everything that we've been doing for the last year, you know, the car was supposed to be on the track obviously last year, and we ran into some problems. I wanted to, you know, start this year off with a new look, obviously new motor. The motor's built.
I knew it.
And you know,
it's progressing. You want to get the thing going. You want to get on the road, and you want to do it in style.
Do it in style, yeah. I want to hit the track in style, and I mean, obviously the main thing is in the track. And I noticed you guys really don't have a track car,
right?
And I mean, you know, you can go back. You know, I mean, obviously.
We do, it's a Camaro.
Yeah.
The drivers will have it.
The drivers will have it. You know, that's what it is. So I mean, I would like to, you know, be like that, you know, premium track car. Obviously, repping you guys' you know, banner and rap from you guys. Cool. And I just want to see what you guys, what you guys offer, if you guys could help out.
I'll tell you this, like, so when it comes to sponsorships, I'll treat it no differently, you know, as far as expectations from both of us. You know, you're my boy, your family, you eat at my table at my house, you know what I mean? Breakfast. But at the end of the day, you have breakfast with me, of all things, you know? But when it comes down to business, we have to, you know, conduct ourselves in certain ways. So I think, like, laying out expectations from both of us is important, you know? So you need to really express your needs, and I need to kind of go back to it as well. Everything we do as far as sponsorships is always a contract deal. Going into 2018, we're obviously changing things a little bit, which I talked to you about previously, kind of more expectations on the people we're sponsoring, because I'm cutting back a lot. I'm also not sponsoring many vehicles, so the people that I work with, I want to make sure that we're both on par with each other. You're getting what you need 100%, and I'm getting what I need back. You know, as you know, being a businessman yourself, you know that nothing's free. You know, what I'm giving you, I'm having expectations as well. You know what I mean? So we were with the camera on, talking.
It is, but
talking to my boy, like
we made. No, let me turn this real quick. The reason why I put that video out is because really Daniel gave me the extra push to, like, be honest. Not that I wasn't honest before, but just let it all out, and it let a big burden off my shoulders. But now, because of that, we're on the spot on this camera, because you're like, got to show them the ins and outs. Right. And that's what it is. So we'll get back to this.
Gotcha. Yeah, no,
the world of a vlogger. You know. Well,
here's the thing. Like, a lot of times with sponsorships, people, I get people coming in daily, and we get emails on a daily basis. And sometimes, like, probably the biggest thing that I dislike the most is when somebody says, "Hey, can you sponsor me? ... period." I get that all the time, believe it or not. And I'm just like, are you kidding me? Like, why'd you even waste your time to write that email? Like, you know, you're not gonna go into detail. Like, you're proposing yourself to me. Somebody's proposing themselves to me, and they're not giving me, like, anything to work off of, you know? So those get deleted right away.
Am I sponsoring a kid, or am I sponsoring a car, or am I sponsoring a bike?
Yeah, this is a business transaction. You know, at the end of the day, like, if we're doing something, it's to benefit both parties, you know, and I think that's what we need to do. So these guys are tripping. They're like, what's going on? Are they serious? Are they having a serious debate here? What? Of course, whatever. Just get dialed in. What do we have? I think we probably have some sizes left, right?
The only one we have is a secret.
See what we have. Expectations for premium. You know, so the things that we're going to do first is we'll wrap the vehicle. The way we do all sponsorships is we're not a manufacturer of material. So we don't create the materials, we buy the materials. The sponsorship that we provide is a labor-based sponsorship, and that gives you the labor for free or whatever's agreed upon. You know, so in this case, it would be a full sponsorship, with the exception of the material. You know, all you'd be doing is covering the material, and we'd be covering the labor. And you know, in our case, you're going to pass the savings on to you. Whatever we get charged for the material, you get charged. And typically, depending on the color, anywhere from $680 up to $750 for average normal colors, gloss, satin, or matte. Being that we already know what color you want to do, I think that color is like on the lower end. You know, so about $680 for the roll. Okay. And you know, time frame wise, we'll need the car a little bit longer than normal. Whenever we're sponsoring vehicles, we can't push the money jobs completely out the door. We have to kind of maintain the workflow. Yeah. So whenever we're sponsoring a car, it takes a little bit longer to complete the process. Obviously, we're not going to leave you out of your car, and you know, we have no reason to hang on to it any longer. We're just going to get through it as quickly as we can, but the right way. Yeah. You know, so expectations on that, we want you to understand we need a little bit more time than the average car. So we need it for about a week and a half to 2 weeks.
We're used to my car being down.
Yeah.
We all know that. We're used to my car
But
being
we'll
down.
document the whole process. And
Yeah.
you know, you always have the door open to be here and film it.
Another thing, jumping ahead, jumping the gun, the main color I want it to be.
Right.
But the rest is up to you.
Okay.
I mean,
Cool.
the accents, the other
Styles,
color
the cool things you wanna
styling. The only thing I do want is my race numbers on the side.
Okay.
Which I want to be 12-7. That's on the day my little day passed away.
Gotcha.
So that's like something like, you know what I mean, like some kind of meaningful to me.
Right.
So I just thought that me having 127 would it be,
That'd be dope.
my race number. That's the run number I'm gonna run with.
Maybe we emboss it. Like
However, don't even tell me. I just want to be shocked. I want to be 100% shocked. The main color, obviously, we talked about, and I don't want to say that because if people weren't paying attention, they're going to find out.
Right.
But the rest, I mean, if you want to add another color too, if you want to do half one color, half another, I don't care. As long as I have a little touch of that color, I'll be super happy.
Cool.
What I'm here to obviously offer, promotion on my YouTube channel, as who wrapped my car, talking about how good you guys wrap my car. Obviously, we know nothing but quality comes in here, leaves from here actually. Also Instagram posts, every single time I post something on Instagram, I'll tag you guys in.
Right.
And then anyone that comes to me asking for a wrap, whatever it might be, roof, hood, full car, I would send them your way. So that free work you guys did kind of gets paid back by me, exposure from on my side.
Right.
That's one thing I would like to offer.
It's cool because we don't have to even talk about that with most people. I really got to get into detail about it, but I know that you understand where you bring value to the business. You bring value to premium by doing stuff like that. So, without that being said, I mean, without not even needing to be said, I know that you'll commit to that. There still is the contract, as always. We write up a contract. People that are looking to get sponsored, I think a lot of times when you go into sponsorships without a contract, it's never there's so much gray area. I'm the type of person I like to know what's expected of me. And that's what this contract does. It kind of just holds us both liable for the things that we need, and kind of breaks down your YouTube and your Instagram and the things that we'd want. So in most cases, we ask for at least one post a month for the duration of the sponsorship. It's 1 year.
Okay.
And then from there, if everything goes good, in a year from now, we can be renewing a contract and doing a different color.
Yeah.
So
and that would be the goal, because I mean, you guys have also been around from day one of me, not really, well, pretty much day one of the turbo kit being, and that's when I started meeting you guys, and you guys got to see this car grow. And my goal is this year to end of this year to start, getting my professional license for NASA, and then, like I said, becoming that premium track car, having you guys with the biggest, your logo on and stuff like that. With that being said, it's gonna take time, but obviously right away, YouTube and Instagram promotion can start as of now. This is basically starting as of now.
Sweet.
But yeah, I just want to know if there's anything else you expect from me or anything else that you want to be done. Because I don't want to be like the rest of them. I want to be like that person. If you want to get sponsored, as cocky as it sounds, if you want to get sponsored by premium, you got to be like, oh, Jefe, you got to do this. Like he's done, you have to, top him, because I want to set the bar, because I feel like some people get sponsored and just so happy to be sponsored, they don't really do the efforts of being sponsored. They just throw the sticker on and they call it a day. You know what I mean?
Well, I mean, I guess I can kind of go off topic like I always do and just talk about what I've seen. A lot of the dudes that are building cars and really putting money into their car, they have people reaching out to them wanting to sponsor them, obviously for exposure. People have YouTubes or Instagrams, and I think they get a little, I wouldn't say cocky with it, but they just don't understand that they have to bring that same value back. But they get so used to people reaching out to them and wanting to give them free stuff, that they forget that somebody's paying for it along the way. And we've had plenty of times where we've done business with people, really took care of them, very, very thoroughly, and then 2 weeks later they're gone and we don't hear from them, and it's just damn, super hard. That's hard, it's just a total diss to the business, because everything that gets done in the shop, it's paid for at some point by myself, by the business.
There's nothing. It comes down to there's nothing that's free. Like the wrap, even if they say 3M gives you wrap for free, they came out of their pocket. If they give you the wrap for free and you wrap a car for free, you just came out of pocket by time, because you got to pay everyone in the facility.
Exactly.
So there's no such thing as free, and that's one thing I definitely know. You know what I mean? And that's why I like doing business with people who are doing business too. Because you have an understanding. A lot of times people who don't run business, and not discrediting everybody, because not everybody acts this way, but when they don't understand the nature of business transactions, they don't treat it like a business transaction. They just treat it like, oh, somebody gave me some free shit and I'm gonna put the decal on for a week and then I'll see them never. And I don't want to go down that route. That's why the contracts moving in 2018, we're narrowing down who we work with, and it's only people that we feel comfortable with from here on out, and I feel comfortable with you. So perfect. Well,
I just want to hug you.
feels good to be part of the team.
We'll start.
Get this. Obviously, guys, I'm not going to be showing all this just because it's, you know, it's contract. It's kind of, I think that breaches contract actually. But that's pretty much it. I'm a part of the Premium Fam with the filming for them, but now obviously being a sponsored car, which are two different things. Me being your friend, me working here filming, and being sponsored are completely three different things. They're really, and people don't know how to separate that. But something needs to be separated. You know what I mean? So
I agree 100%.
Yeah, I'm excited to be. I'm excited.
If you guys are looking to get sponsored by any shops, make sure you're bringing value to those businesses that you're approaching, and understand that, you know, in most cases, you're asking them for something, you know, so bring some value to them and make sure you honor those commitments, because it comes out of somebody's pocket some way, somehow, some shape or form, and you know, just be cool.
There it is.
That's all.
Boom.
All right, let's get back to work.
All right, all right, YouTube fam, you guys seen it. Welcome on Premium to the YouTube fam. I will be back posting Monday at normal time. I'm good. I'm just gonna shake it off. Things happen, it sucks, but we're gonna get back to it. It's gonna be a great year. I hope you guys are ready. Shakedown for the car is coming. There is a shakedown for the car at the track on January 25th. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna be making it because I do need to get that tuned, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated on Monday. I'll definitely talk about it.